Hello,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm fine, Mama. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. So, what's your name?
Ma'am, my name is Ragvi.
What does it mean?
Ma'am, it actually comes in the Vishnu Sahasranama.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, there's a line called Om Sragvine Namaha. From that line, my name is chosen. Ma'am, it means success.
Okay. So, how important that to be successful?
Ma'am, it's important to be successful to have fame, and people will trust you. They will get to know that you're responsible.
Mm-hmm. What are the skills you require to become successful in any fields?
Ma'am, there are many skills you need to have. You have to have honesty, you have to have cleanliness, and you also have to have respect, you have to have courage, you have to have self-love, and you have to have leadership quality mainly.
Okay, these are the life skills. So, have you chosen life skill in
Mhm.
Olipso?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what did you learn from that?
Ma'am, I learned what is it, why we need it, and many more things like that, ma'am.
Tell me why we need it.
Ma'am, we need it to be successful, as my name suggests, and we also needed to have a aim to set a goal. Ma'am, it also inspires me.
Okay, so what is your goal?
Ma'am, my goal is to become an entrepreneur or a businesswoman.
In what field? What do you
I'm in
want?
software.
Okay, what do you want to invent?
Ma'am, I don't want to invent anything in such.
Okay.
But I have invented an app called Digitals. The last few letters TALS means like teachers, admin, logins, and students. TALS. It's Digitals, but we made it into a new app called Digitals with the help of Oracle. And
With the help of Oracle company.
Yes, ma'am. Oracle company. And we started from scratch, ma'am. And we represented India, whole India, and we got India in second place.
That's nice. We means you have a group of.
Yeah, we had a group, ma'am.
Okay. So how did you get interest in this? It's a coding?
No, ma'am, we did Scratch, similar to coding.
Yeah. Scratch is a block based.
Yeah.
So how did you get an idea about this? And how did you connect with a company called Oracle?
Ma'am, actually, our school had given us this opportunity. Ma'am, there was one Namaskip message. That time Namaskip had started, which is a Japanese company which came first place. And then we have Namaskip itself. So there we got a message called there's this opportunity to do. Do you want to join it? And some people registered, in which I was a part of it. So yeah, the story began.
So how did you get that interest of coding or else computer science? Do you have anybody in a family?
Yes, ma'am. My mother is a software engineer and my dad's a mechanical engineer.
Okay, so you got an idea from them. Do you see them coding on daily basis?
My mother codes, but not on daily basis. She used to work for a company.
Mhm.
There she used to code, but now she doesn't. She's like into some agile.
Okay, so who is your inspiration?
My inspiration is actually my mother, ma'am.
So how she inspires you in many ways?
Ma'am, she's very hardworking and she knows where to hard work. She doesn't put her efforts in a wrong way or a useless way. She puts her hard work in a good way and effective way. And she's very multitasking. And sometimes when she's working, she concentrates on working. But when she gets another task, including what she has, so that time she knows how to contribute it equally, when to spend her time equally.
So time management
Yes,
is
ma'am,
also
time
a skill, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you totally want to become an entrepreneur, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So to reach there, what are the skills? What are the important skills that you think you need to have?
And the important skills we have to have is to respect others. The main thing we have to know is respect others, and you have to be kind to each other. If you become rude, the people may not like you, so it may not be useful to them. And the main reason I want to become an entrepreneur is because I want to give people an opportunity to get lead. Ma'am, I want them also to become successful. So yeah, ma'am.
So you want to create employment
Yes, ma'am.
opportunities in future.
And the reason how I became confident
Mhm.
is because when I gave a radio in the Karnataka state level, ma'am, on November 19, 2022,
Mhm.
I gave a radio, ma'am, and it was uploaded on the same day. I sang a song, but I'm not so good at it.
Can you
Uh,
sing for us?
I left music now. My passion changed to dance.
But do you remember a song which you sing 2 years back? No.
No.
Now you are more interested in
Yeah,
dance.
dance. Now I have won many competitions in dance.
Mm-hmm. So apart from dancing, what are your interests?
Apart from dancing, I like to I'm curious to learn things more, more things. So apart from dancing, I also learn many new things about history
Mm-hmm.
and computer science.
Any sports you are interested in?
I'm not so interested in sports, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
But like if you want to ask me, I'm interested in cricket and swimming.
Cricket.
Yeah.
So why you like cricket?
I like cricket because it's physical,
Mm-hmm.
it's interesting,
Mm-hmm.
it's fun to play also.
You play cricket?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who do you like anybody in the cricket? Do you have any famous
Yes, ma'am.
personalities?
Smriti Mandana and Virat Kohli.
Why do you like them?
I like them because they're passionate about their career.
Mm-hmm.
They know what to do, and they have won many awards.
So what you want to learn from them?
I want to learn from that. Stick to your goal. I want to learn that from them. Virat Kohli has always been to one goal. He wants to win the cup, and that he has made India win it. That's why I'm interested in it.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.